It's the way that I cook with love. Little bit of spice, little crisp from above. Now you're dreaming about my dish late at night. Who knew Brussels could treat you so right? No, now you wanna
I'm making Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna show you how to make them very flavorful and amazing. Let's check it out. So I like to cut my Brussels in half, right? Because they won't take as long to cook. Now you will have some wastage, little pieces like this will come off or whatever. But when they're big like that, they take forever to cook. So you cut them in half and you get more pieces. So for people who might not want a ton of Brussels sprouts, you know, they don't have to get, you know, waste them for people who do want them. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and make our dressing, right? So we're going to take a little bit of oil. I prefer olive oil, but all I have today is vegetable oil, so it is what it is. Right? We're going to take some balsamic olivetti. All right, and that's basically balsamic with olive oil flavor. Some lemon juice. Some Italian seasoning. Onion powder. Some minced garlic. And some honey. Right, and we're going to whisk all this together. Always remember to taste your stuff before you put it on your food. Oh man, that's absolutely delicious. Perfect. I'm gonna put a little black pepper, but other than that, it's perfect. All right, so with the sprouts, I like to have them this side up, right? Since I cut them in half, and that way it's gonna let all the flavor sink into the little crevices in the sprouts, right? And just a little beginner tip: once we season them and pour our dressing on top, we're gonna just roast them just like that, and then when they're like halfway through cooking, we'll taste one, and then we'll flip it over and season the other side because we'll know exactly what it needs. It may not need anything. If it does need something, then we'll flip it over and season the other side. But that's a beginner step. Like normally when I do it, I would just go ahead and season them up because I know what to do. But if you're worried about having too much salt, too much pepper, too much whatever, that's an easy way to do it. You can go lightly on one side, put your dressing on, put your seasoning on, go ahead and roast them, and then when they're like getting close to being done, where they're soft enough for you to taste them, then you taste one, and then you flip them over. If you need to re-season, you can do it then. Thing I'm gonna do is put the dressing on first because I don't want to knock my seasoning off or wash my seasoning off if I put my dressing on last, right? So just go ahead and put that on first. And it just smells so good. The thing about Brussels is they're more versatile than you think. You can do teriyaki, you can do barbecue, believe it or not, depending on how you cook them. I like to do them this way because it just adds so much flavor, but you can do them so many different type of ways. I'm gonna go on with some of that adobo, complete seasoning. A little salt, not a lot because the adobo has salt in it. Same thing with lemon pepper, right? Not a lot because lemon pepper has salt in it as well, and we're gonna put black pepper, and we already have lemon juice in our dressing. So you don't want to never overdo any flavor. What you want to do is kind of balance out all of the flavors. Black pepper. onion powder, and garlic powder. The dressing, these already smell amazing. They look good already. They haven't even went into the oven yet. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and just put them in there on 350 for about 15 minutes. And then we'll taste them and see what we gotta do. Oh man, these are looking amazing. It's time for the taste test. Let's get that bad boy right there. Look at them.
Fucking hand is going down. Brussels bound, best in town.
TV, yeah, we keep it fly. So hit that like, hit subscribe.